So on this beautiful new day, we're going to Magic Kingdom. Yeah, we're going to Magic Kingdom today. And y'all, I think I'm gonna ride more rides than I rode like yesterday because y'all, I'm kind of scary. But yeah, I'm gonna ride more rides this time because I've been looking at the website and I think it's some rides that I can ride that I'm not gonna be too scared of. So and one thing that I noticed that I have not been doing is I haven't been talking to y'all as much as I could. Like, you know, getting off the rides and, you know, explaining what ride I'm going on. When I get off the ride, explain how the ride was. So that's one thing I'm going to work on today. You know, giving reviews of the rides and, you know, basically telling y'all what I'm going to do instead of just doing it. You know, we have on our Saint shirts today. Mine says New Orleans Saints. Everybody has on their Saint shirts. And I'll see y'all when we get to the park. Okay, so we made it to Magic Kingdom. It's so pretty out here, and the music that they playing is amazing. So now we have a ride scheduled for a certain time. So we do need to be like on the go and on the run to make that ride since we reserved it. But y'all, it's so pretty out here.
Like the bearded reindeer. Back there we've got some long-necked reindeer. Over there, those are the jumpy reindeer. And those ones in the corner there, those are the vintage reindeer. I can tell they're vintage because they're still in black and white. Over here we have a pride of lions watching over a vintage reindeer as he sleeps. How sweet of them. Oh no, he's dead. Yeah, he's not getting any deader. He's about as dead as a vintage reindeer. Sorry guys, I'm terrible at analogies. Oh, hey Skipper Felix, don't worry, it could have been worse. You could have been a vintage reindeer. Yeah, the number one rule in the jungle, don't be vintage reindeer, so hopefully he gets the point in the end. But I know, who would have thought? Not me. Well, guys, we're coming up to the most terrifying part of our adventure, the return to civilization.
That ride was... Girl, I've been having a ponytail since we've been here. What are you talking about? And I hadn't seen yesterday. And the day before. The day before it was high. Yesterday. I only put the bunny in to put the shower cap on. So I put it on towards the end. Girl. Anyways. That ride was nice, you guys. Sometimes I just feel like it don't be worth the wait. We had fast passes, but like if I was to wait for that, I'd probably be upset. But it was nice. I'd be liking the little animatronics and things. But yeah, that ride was nice. I'll give that ride maybe 7 out of 10 maybe. And then it's also a nice ride, like if it was very hot and you just wanted to sit down, just want to catch you a little break, that's a ride that I would suggest that you get on. But yeah, the next ride we're getting on, I don't really know yet, but y'all see. Okay, you guys, we're gonna get on the Haunted Mansion. I'm excited. I don't think this is like a roller coaster ride. I think it's just like a, you know, experience ride.
Going on that jet
So y'all see y'all when we get off.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host.
Y'all was kind of scared for a second. I thought that I was tricked into a ride, another ride that was scary. But I don't think this one is scary, y'all. Yeah. But we're about to get on. It's kind of loud in here, so that's why I'm talking closer to the camera. Me, yeah, I think that this ride is gonna be nice.
Watch your step, please. Watch your step.
Do not pull down on the safety bar.
Okay, you guys, we got off the Haunted Mansion, and you know, it was okay ride. I'll give the Haunted Mansion maybe like a... I know it's not a roller coaster, but I feel like it could have been a little bit more spooky, in my opinion. So I'll give that ride maybe like a 7.5 out of 10. I've been on the ride before when I was little. I guess it was more scary to me when I was little. Now that I'm grown, it's probably not as much scary. I think it's more of like, you know, the spook kids. So I think I'll give it maybe higher, 8 out of 10. If you have a young kid and you want to take it on that ride, I think that's the ride to go. That was fun. And then now our next ride, I think, is at 7:50 or something, or 7:45, but we do want to catch the fireworks show. I really want to get a video of the fireworks show. This is so beautiful in front of the castle. Right now we're at this place, I forgot what the name is, but it sells like chicken, seafood, and just American food, I think, or England food, I don't know. Yeah, we're just getting a bite to eat, and then we're gonna be on to the next ride. And y'all, my cycle came on while I was here at the park, and when I tell y'all, if y'all know, y'all know, the first day Your stomach and your uterus be trying to kill you. It's a murder scene. But yes, I was hurting really bad. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to make it, y'all. But my auntie had like those 800 milligram ibuprofen, and they helped a lot. But yeah, that was an experience. I was hurting so bad, y'all. But I'm so thankful that she had those ibuprofen in her bag, because if she didn't, I don't think I would have been able to enjoy myself at all. But I feel 10 times better now. There's my auntie back there. So I will show y'all my food and things when it comes. Okay, this is the food that we got, y'all. This is mine. I got the fish, shrimp, chicken, and fries. Lemonades and stuff. You guys, I got me some ears out of the gift shop, and now I forgot what ride we were supposed to be going on, but the Peter Pan ride that we went on, it was nice. It's kind of like all the other rides I've been going on. I still haven't been on a roller coaster yet, but these ears are so cute, y'all. I think I'm gonna wear them for the rest of the time I'm here. Okay, now we're finna get on the dwarf ride. I think that's what it's called. It's something like that, y'all. I will try my best to put it on the screen. But we're getting on that right now, and it's the first roller coaster of the day, I would say. So, and I think that this one is gonna be fun. I'm not gonna record on this one, y'all, because it kind of goes fast, and I'm not gonna drop my phone. Y'all, my Mickey ears are so cute. That roller coaster ride, it was really more my speed. It wasn't no big drops, it was small drops. I give that ride like I get it right at 8 out of 10. Y'all, the wait was long though. The wait was like maybe 100 minutes. But now we're going on the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, and that's more of like a boat ride. What I've been going on with the Frozen ride and all that. So it's kind of repetitive, but it's still a fun experience.
Speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones? We'll never lay eyes on it, nor this here key neither. Quiet! Fooled him I did, by God. So tell you once, Captain Jack Sparrow, you'll never find the treasure without this here.
Okay, y'all, we leaving the park. The park is officially closed because it closed at 11 o'clock. So I think it's like 11:05 right now. So we're leaving, about to go to the park. It was very packed when we came, but now it's like dang near empty. So I will see y'all tomorrow at Hollywood Studios.
Hold on one second. Sorry about that.
Okay, so it's currently Christmas Day and it's raining really bad outside. So I don't even think we're gonna be going to Hollywood Studios today. So, you know, it won't be Christmas in Disney. But I'm about to open up my gifts. I think it's like currently like 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to open up my gifts and then I'll show y'all that in the next clip. Okay, you guys, we made it to Hollywood Studios. We didn't get to go yesterday, so we're here today. We had a little mess up, whatever you say, because they were saying we didn't have no reservations for today, but we were able to get that fixed. The people at Disney, the workers are so nice. And we all have our matching shirts on. I am the whatever elf, as y'all seen. And yeah.
On in.
Okay, y'all, so we're currently at the Slinky Dog Ride. We've been here for about, I don't even know how long. A long time. Maybe 2 hours. And we're finally at the front, about to get on. I don't think I'm going to record this ride because it's a roller coaster. But yeah, this is our first ride. We've been here for like 2 hours trying to get on. And it's not even no rock and roller coaster to be a long line like this.
Just sing along. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When we doing dashing around the backyard. Now please stay seated till we come.
Got us a funnel cake, y'all.
You there! Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Oh, I don't know, Goofy. That sounds like a lot of paperwork, and I gotta
Thanks!
fix this.
Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up!
Okay, everyone, I guess we're going into the cartoon world. Right this way.
Sticks home in his in a way.
Please don't touch that screen. It's already broken, and I don't know how to fix it. Do you think my boss will notice?
No.
No? That's good. I'm getting worried.
Now, let's
Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Ooh, Lord, my hair. But y'all, I'm currently sitting down waiting for the fireworks show because they was going on Tower of Terror and I'm too scared to go on it. I went on it before when I was little, but I can't do it now. So yeah, I'm by myself. Well, not by myself, besides the people that's here to watch the show, but I'm here by myself because I'm not with my family. But yeah, we're gonna watch the fireworks show. That's fun too.
The favorite of all pictures that we make. Well, it's the one that you're going to see right now.
So I left that because I thought it was gonna be a fireworks show, but it wasn't. And I don't know, it was kind of boring to me. Don't get me, but it was kind of boring to me, so I left. So now I'm trying to like find a little bathroom because I do have to pee, and I'm trying to find somewhere else to eat because the funnel cake just didn't do it for me. You know, all I ate today was bacon and eggs. So yeah. Now I'm going to something called Store War. That is a tongue twister. Tours? And I want to see what this is about. And I'm going by myself. Hopefully this isn't scary because, y'all, I'm a scary cat for roller coasters.
Boring conversation anyway.
If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us.
Y'all, I'm so ready to go. The park closed, by the way. It closed at 9, and it's currently 9:20. Yeah, it's 9:20, and they still, I don't know if they still in line or if they rode the ride. They coming back, but y'all, I'm tired. I'm ready to go home. And it's not that I didn't have a good time, because I did. It's just that I'm just really not no big traveler for real. I'm kind of boring. I'm very boring. I just like being to myself, locked away, and I'm just ready to go home. My head hurting. I'm just ready to go home. But I think I'm gonna end the video here because this is our last night here in Orlando and our last park, which was Hollywood Studios. We didn't get to go yesterday because my cousin was sick. So yeah, this is our last day here in Hollywood Studios. I was very grateful for the opportunity that I got to come here, because the last time I came here I was in 2nd grade, and I was like during the summer, so I didn't remember too much of Disney, you know. But I'm also grateful that I got to come when it was Christmas time, because Disney does their thing when it's Christmas time. Like, they're very festive. The decorations, everything was just beautiful. Animal Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and Magic Kingdom, especially Magic Kingdom. Magic Kingdom was probably the most festive park there was during my visit. And they had the parades and everything. It was just very festive and very Christmassy and holiday. It just kind of got you in the spirit. This was my first Christmas without my mom. So, you know, it was kind of, you know, it was just nice to be somewhere where you're not too much in your thoughts, you know, about it. But yeah. And I will see y'all later.